In this video, I'll show you how to stretch and resize images in Canva without cropping. Let's dive in. Open Canva and create a new project. Let's use this image as an example. Add it to your page. When you try to adjust the image to cover the entire page, parts of it might get cropped. Here's the fix. Delete the image and re-add it to the page. Select the image and click Crop at the top. Ensure Freeform is selected under Aspect Ratio. Look for the corner handles marked with small L shapes. Drag these handles inward to create a new crop area. Hold the Shift key while adjusting the circular corner points to match the page boundaries. Click Done to apply. Now, select the image again. Drag the edge outward to reveal the full image without cropping. You'll see the image now covers the entire page. Note, extreme aspect ratio changes might stretch the image, so adjust carefully. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.